Today you're going to be starting your document, your draft document for your process writing assignment. So the first thing you need to do is open up a brand new document in Google, just like this. It says Untitled Document up here. You need to rename it. You're going to name it according to the directions, which is your last name. My last name is Skyer. And then whatever it is that you're writing about. I've been using the example of grilled cheese, so grilled cheese. All right. Next thing you're going to do is click down into your document. Now you've titled your document. Before we type anything, we want to go over here to line spacing and change this to double. Once you have it set on double, the first thing you're going to type is your name, then your teacher's name, then the class, and finally the date. And you want to do this in the format the day, the month, and the year. You're going to enter, you're going to center it, and you're going to put the title for your paper. Whatever yours is. Now your paper is set in MLA format and you are ready to go.